So today is day 8 and I'm gonna be doing the dry hops. So I got here my net where I'm gonna put the drops inside. And I'm gonna use 100 grams of mosaic and 100 grams of Columbus. Everything's being sanitized. So, to make sure that the bag is gonna sink, I'm gonna add some marbles inside. Everything being sanitized. I'm gonna clean my hands again with sanitizer. And I'll be using the fishing line just to tie the top of it. And I want to have it hanging inside the basket, so I'm going to put the fishing line outside of the lid. So today is day 14, the day that I'm going to bottle the beer, and the first thing I'm going to do is check the final gravity. I think the final gravity is about 1010. I'll just double check. Maybe 1005. Yeah, 1005. Just make a note of it. Maybe it's gonna be about 5.9%. Let me just try this. It looks quite interesting color, like mango. Interesting. Smells interesting, quite hoppy and a bit bitter. Okay. So next, I'm gonna transfer the beer from here into another container, but there is something new. There is the Hoppyrator, and with the Hoppyrator, this is gonna be the hoppiest day of my life. I glued the sieve inside the pipe. I glued it inside the connector, and I put the connector inside the tube. It flew from inside the sieves there. You can see on this part here, yeah? Right. And then that's gonna be the bit that goes on the top of it. And that's a custom made thing. But all you need is basically have a lid put in the bottom and the outlet like that. So, yeah. Now I'm going to use a little bit of butter just to make the two things. One, make it easier for it to slide inside here, and secondly, to seal it so it doesn't leak. Just a bit of butter around it. I hope it doesn't get inside the beer, otherwise it's gonna be like a buttery beer. Interesting flavor. Then I'm going just to slide it inside. So if you're wondering how the Hoppyrator works, basically the beer comes from this container and goes through the pipe into the Hoppyrator that is going to filter the beer, and I'm going to put the hops inside here. So from there it comes out of here and goes inside the bucket, the other bucket. Let me get the hops now. I'm just gonna put inside the Hoppyrator. The hops go all the way down. Okay, now I'm going to put the holes and the beer is going to go inside it. So as the beer comes from the top, the gravity is going to push it down and it's going to go all the way through the hops inside the beer. Now, if you don't have a Hoppyrator or you cannot make one, you can use a jar. This is a jar, a normal jar for the water. I'm gonna try to use this as a Hoppyrator. I'm gonna show you how that would work instead of the Hoppyrator. So you can see it filling in now. You can see the color is quite nice kind of green color because of the hops. So there's nothing coming out yet. I'm gonna turn it on once it's like halfway through. I just want to show you this. Look at that color. And I'm just moving the bag like that with a spoon. Only I'm recording the video, stop now. So I'm moving the bag with the spoon. And look at the color of the juice that's coming out of those hops. That's gonna be really tasty. Here, it keeps going down. And that's it inside. I like that color. So that's all done. All the beers in the other container. Now, if you want to push the next level, and I said before, today is going to be the hoppiest day of my life. What you're going to do is add some warm water on top of the hops. Just checking. Yeah. And basically, what you're going to do effectively here is like making a massive tea with hops. It's about like 1 liter of warm water. You just leave it in the hops, and you're gonna extract the extra flavors and oils from it. And I'm going to do just pour this on top of the beer.